Konnichiwa. Welcome. We're going to be doing a one-punch workout today. First of all, you'll just start small, a few punches, 1 or 2 punches even. And then you'll do that a nice amount of times a day. You'll have breaks in between. Start small. Do that a nice amount of times a day, about 3 or 4 times a week. By the first week or two, you should notice drastic improvements. Drastic improvements. Your punches will feel lighter, your blocking will be better, and it'll be amazing. After that, just continue doing the exercises until you're as good as you want to be. Simple as that. Now I'm going to demonstrate the one-punch workout. Follow along. Modify the workout to your liking. Try different combinations. Different punch combinations. Yeah, guys. That's it. Time. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Now we're gonna do it. Sorry about the laggy recording, guys. I don't know what's wrong with the, what do you call it? Alright. One punch workout. Simple. You're just going to go in your MMA blocking stance. And you're going to hold the stance for as long as possible. Remember, start small. We're going to be doing a one-punch workout with some open palm blocking techniques. Alright, just hold. Punch. Hold, punch, hold. That's the one punch workout. Punch, hold, punch, hold, punch, hold, punch, hold. We'll just repeat that for the one punch workout. Remember, it's just a one punch workout. You just punch once. And go back to your MMA blocking stance. One punch workout. Remember, start small. Build your way up. Switching, punching, and going back to your MMA blocking stance. I'm doing this in my right-handed stance. I'm right-handed. You can try in southpaw if you want. Now we're going to do some sheer open palm. Sheer open palm. Practice moving around. It'll get you good at catching punches. Alright guys, that should be good enough. Rinse and repeat to get better at it. Rinse and repeat to get better at it. Konnichiwa. Rinse and repeat to get better at it. Until you're as good as you want to be. Simple as that. Same goes for all other UFC exercises. Kicking, blocking. Start small, work your way up, and continue the exercises until you're as good as you want to be. Goes for submissions, wrestling. Also, you could reach the highest level of Muay Thai like that in karate. It's the same thing. Just do the exercises, kicking, punching, over and over again until you're good at it. Until you can do it, and then continue doing them until you're as good as you want to be. Remember, do the training exercises over and over again until you're as good as you want to be. Simple as that. You can do that. Now, that's all for today. That's the one punch workout. MMA stance. MMA blocking stance with some open palm blocking techniques. Anyway, that's it, guys.